आशु लाइट बहुत कम है रूम में अभी फिलहाल. This is the place where we can study or we can irritate the hotel staff, or this is the bed, and this is the outside, the pool in front of our bed, some sitting area over there, this one, and this one. This is the outdoor shower, and it's me. Lush, beautiful, beautiful bathtub. Not the copper one, which this is the ceramic, and it's me once again. And this is our living area, the main door, again the living area, and few steps. टीवी जिसको हम नहीं देखने वाले हैं, एंड द शैम्पेन जिसको हम नहीं पीने वाले हैं. दिस इज आवर वेलकम ड्रिंक एंड दिस इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. आई डोंट नो अबाउट द फ्रूट्स. द लिविंग एरिया, and this is our outside the room. This is the beach, if you can see, and our private boat, the sitting area. Come, come, come. This is so beautiful.